Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to actually do the consolidation of the data. But here that consolidation we have done many times with the VBA using VBA and with the multiple lines of the code, right? So in today's video, we are going to do the same thing using Python. So how easy it becomes when we switched from VBA to the Python. So in the Python, what happens in just few lines, in 3 to 4 lines or maximum 7 lines of a code, that it will help us to consolidate the data with a shuffles header when the headers are not in the sequence in the sheet and still we want to consolidate how the data gets consolidated. Okay, that's what actually we are going to do in this video. So let's start. We can start. Here you guys can see on my screen, this is this is the sample code actually. So for example, the headers are different. Shuffled header we do have. Let me show you the file as well. So file, where I do have a file. Okay, the master data. Let me open this master data. In the master data, when you will come, so you look the headers, country, segment. When you will go on another sheet, so country is here, segment is not here. You look, header are shuffled, right? Headers, we do have every headers, but not in the sequence, not in the orders, right? So when you will go on the third sheet, so country is not in the A column, it is in B column, and segment you will get in G column. Okay, in the first sheet you will get your segment in the B column. So you guys can see the data is completely shuffled. Okay, but still just we want to consolidate the data, okay, in just few lines of a code. So what we can do, we can say I already have opened that, and let me create one file. Okay, here we are going to use the two libraries. Okay, first import pandas as pd. Okay, from, because what happens here, we need to do the consolidation of the data and we need the same sheet in the existing workbook. I don't want this separate workbook. I would like to, for example, the data, when data will consolidate from all these three sheets, right, and one another sheet should get created here by the name of master data. Okay, that is something which we want to do here. So what we can do, simple come back, okay, here, and right here from open by excel import load workbook. Okay, load workbook. Let me run it. So successfully these two libraries now have been imported. Now let's start. So we would like to make it dynamic. So path, yeah, file, simple file, input, please enter the file, enter the file path which you want to consolidate. Okay, which you want to consolidate. After that, let's start running one loop with pd dot excel writer. So what excel writer does, it will help us to do the changes or to make the changes in the existing workbook. So here you need to write your path like file. Okay, file, then engine should be your open by excel. Okay, and mode will be your a as writer. Okay, here one more variable you have to declare to read your file, pd dot excel file and file. Okay, here for x, which means sh in every sheet, okay, of in dt sheet name. So what it will do, so you guys can see here we have, read, here we are reading the files. We will go in every sheet and we will do the data consolidation. So txt, okay, make it as in the as list, declare one more variable, let's not declare that. So here what we can do, here we can start doing the consolidation, txt dot dt dot parse, okay, sh. After that, master data empty, for example, pd dot concate. It will help us to do the concatenation. Basically it will help us to consolidate the data from the every sheet. Okay, that's what actually it is going to do. So here I would like to consolidate it and the existing data which already has been consolidated. Okay, through this the data has been consolidated in this data frame. So you have to declare that as well, pd dot data frame. Okay, After that, what we need to do, we just need to export it to Excel, where in the existing workbook. So existing workbook is your writer. So writer we have declared here, okay, here as writer. So this is what actually you have to write here, and sheet name will be your as master data, okay. And I don't want to have index, so let's make it as false. After doing everything, dt should be close, okay, close. And at the end I would like to have the data done, okay. Now we can start running it. Let me run it. As I run, so it is asking me please enter the file path which you want to consolidate. So let's go here, right click and go in the security and just copy this path. Just we need to copy this path, and now let me paste it, okay. Now let's see what it will. It is throwing me the error. What error it is? Okay, it says that this is something invalid argument. Is there any problem? D YouTube, all right. pd.excel file, it is throwing me the error around here. Why? pd.excel file, no, it should read, no problem. File, okay, file we have written correctly, and empty data from, then file. So here file path is also correct here, no problem. So what is the problem? Txt dt txt, all right. pd.concrete, everything is running. Sheet name is master.index dt.close. It says please enter the path, error we have to, invalid argument. This is something which is not being read, right? So you let me open this file. I think something is not good with this file actually. Let me open it. It's getting open. It is getting open, no problem. Now what we can do, sometimes we do get this error. Let me run it and paste it, okay. Right click, security, just copy it. After copy it, paste it, and now okay, something was not good, okay. So now it is done. Now if I will open this file here, so you will able to see the master data sheet now has been created here, and this is something which is completely consolidated, okay. You look, everything is in the sequence, you look, everything in the sequence, okay. Look, so how easy it becomes, when we start writing the code into the Python. When you will be writing the same code in the VBA, might be it will be little complex, and you will have to use your brain, okay, very, and might be you will have to do the nested loop as well, okay, just to match the header and the sheets and so many things that you need to do that, right. But in the Python it becomes so easy to doing the consolidation, especially for the shuffles headers data, okay. That's what actually we have done, okay. And now this file is not in the Python extension, so let me also tell you, let me save this file right by the name of Python, okay. And now rename it, simple. Now this file actually got saved here, so by the name of Python, this one. So come and right click, go in the security, just copy this path, okay. Now open your command prompt, write here the one code, Jupyter nb convert to script, paste that path and press enter. Once you will do this, okay, this will actually convert your this extension into the python.py. So now you will be able to see here your py file will be here, you look, okay. Now you can run it very easily, so now what is the meaning, what I want to say, we can also use this Python using ExcelVBA just in one click, that already I think I made the video. Now for example, now how we can use this file. So right click, go in the security, just copy this path, okay, cmd, right here Python, and paste that path and press enter. It will say now just please enter the file which you want to consolidate. Again go back, just right click, go in the security, just copy everything, Okay, I think I already have a file right here, just copy it. Okay, go in security and just copy everything. Now paste it here and enter. Done. Now let's check, is my data created? Master data is here, you look. So amazing. Okay, now you guys let me know if you want me to assign this code in the VBA, so that in one click we can just have our output. Okay, I don't want to paste it manually or something. I just want the clickable button, okay, by which that the user can have their output very correctly. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for watching the video, and I will attach this file in the description box with the code, okay, for your practice purpose. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot.